This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by removing anything blocking the true depth camera and restarting the phone. This clears transient software states that often break the facial sensors. Once done, make sure iOS is updated because system updates include camera and biometric fixes. While the device reboots, check that no case or screen protector obscures the sensors and that ambient lighting is even. After restart, open Settings to the Face ID page so you can begin the next calibration and diagnostic steps immediately. You should now reset Face ID enrollment and set up your face again. This forces a fresh biometric map and resolves corrupted profiles. When you register, hold the device at eye level and rotate your head slowly to capture full angles, which improves recognition. Make sure toggles for iPhone Unlock, iTunes, and App Store, and Apple Pay are enabled so Face ID is active where needed. Once enrolled, test recognition in bright and low light, and if appearance varies often, add an alternate appearance. Finish by running built-in diagnostics or a full device restore if Face ID still fails, because persistent issues often indicate software corruption. Back up to iCloud or iTunes before restoring to avoid data loss, and set up Face ID again afterward to confirm resolution. If the true depth camera hardware is damaged or diagnostics report a sensor fault, make an appointment with Apple support or an authorized repair center. They can replace the module. One troubleshooting tip: test with another Apple ID only if recommended by support, not as first step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.